This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Joseph Parr. Welcome home to this meticulously maintained property. This stunning house boasts a 3-bed 2-bath split floor plan, complete with beautiful wood floors, custom decorative ceiling beams and high ceilings for a spacious feel. The kitchen is a chef's dream with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, upgraded cabinetry, and elegant crown molding. In addition to a dining room, there's a separate area that can easily serve as a secondary dining space. Retreat to the large master bedroom with a walk-in closet and a luxurious master jetted bath featuring a walk-in shower and dual vanities. Step outside to the covered porch that opens up to the expansive backyard, perfect for outdoor enjoyment and entertaining. All of this with no HOA. For more information, review the details below.